Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I stretch and fluff my wash and go. I styled my hair last night and I let it dry overnight. I didn't do anything special. I just left it out to air dry and try not to sleep on it and like crunch it up and stuff. So I'm going to be taking it down and showing you how I get volume, because when I first wake up in the morning, I look like a little boy. So I'm going to show you how I transform myself into looking like something. So if you're interested in that, then stay tuned. When my hair is completely dry, it's usually crunchy and stiff. So I'm going to take this Nourish and Shine Restorative Butter and add it to my hair. The clip actually got deleted, but I used like 2 pea-size amounts and just rubbed it through to break the cast. And the next thing that I do is take my blow dryer on medium heat and the high air setting and just stretch my hair and blow the roots out just to get a little bit of length.
Dreams of your smile, I don't wanna be just on that breeze, and I don't wanna feel your wings break free, because without you I'm lost in the breeze. I gotta be strong now, I gotta show you how I love you like I'm never ever loved so.
Then I take my wide tooth comb and fluff at the roots, and I do this for a very long time just so I can have, you know, some volume and some shape.
'Cause I think I might do anything for you if you just let me, if you just let me.
And last but not least, I take some gel and add it to my edges, and really that is it.
Let me. Taste of your lips is still fresh.
And this is usually my final result. It'll get bigger over the next couple days. But thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Love you. Mwah.
But to tell you the truth, every day